Today, I'm harvesting fresh eggs from my garden that I grew from scratch to make a quick lunch for my sons who are on holiday. And we eat every moment they think of me. Aww. They think of me every second. I'm going to boil these eggs, peel, cut in half, fry, and cook them in pepper sauce. Have you ever eaten boiled fried eggs? Do you think it is necessary? My sons will be pairing this with Golden Penny instant noodles chicken flavor. And here is how to make a perfect batch. Remember, you can find the correct cooking instructions on the noodle pack. You need 300 ml of water for 1 Golden Penny noodle pack. Today, I am cooking 3 packs. Bring the water to a boil, then add the noodles. Loosen with a tongue or fork. Add the noodle seasoning. Cook for not more than 3 minutes, then serve. Following the cooking instructions and staying within the cook time will give you perfect noodles. The boys love their noodles and I have enough packs of Golden Penny noodles to make quick ones for them once they are hungry again within the next 1 hour.